All right, we're going to set up a quick, hasty shelter using 3 tent stakes. You can also just use sticks of wood. Show you how to use this really cool Ridgeline that's pre-set up, and just a sole shelter, reflective shelter. Show you how it's done. So on the Ridgeline here, I've got this 1 piece on a figure 8 on a bite. I've got this right here will hook one end of the tarp. This will hook the middle of the tarp. That'll hook the end of the tarp. And this prusik here will wrap around the other end of the tree. And I got about 30 feet of paracord here. And as far as setting it up, where it can be deployed rapidly, is you get the end of the 550 cord. Again, I got 30 feet worth. I'm gonna put my finger right in between there, and I'm just gonna S roll back and forth to get this thing set up. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to unravel this thing if you set it up this way. Really cool trick. Just keep wrapping back and forth. S roll. Again, I got 30 feet here coming down to the end. And I'm just going to take the rest of that. I'm just going to wrap it around over and over and over and over. Just like so. And just put it in the pack. And then when I need to use it, all I got to do is just pull out all that, and I'm ready to set the Ridgeline.